Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I'm going to teach you how to take a paperclip and turn it into a wine charm. Super cute, super easy. I'm going to show you how to make it right now. For this project you will need standard smooth finish paper clips, beads and charms, needle nose pliers. So one thing that's super important is make sure that when you get your paper clips that they are the smooth finish kind and not the ones with the little ridges on them, because the ridges, when you open them up, they break. So I'm just going to open up my paper clip all the way up. And then I'm going to take my needle nose pliers and I'm just going to place my needle nose right at the very end, and then I'm just going to fold it over. And that's just going to make a little circle. Now I'm going to just put my beads on and my charms on. And this is where you can get very personalized, whatever you want to put on here. I'm just going to put a bead, and then I've got these cute little letter beads, and I'm just going to spell my name. This would be a great project at like a cocktail party. People could come and make their very own wine charms and then put it on their glass of wine so that they wouldn't lose their glass of wine throughout the evening, or if you were having like a wine tasting, something like that would be super fun. Okay, so I'm just going to slide those on there like that. And now I'm just going to take my other end and just fold it up like a fish hook. And then you just bend this around to make a circle. And then it just slips right into itself like that. So see that? It just goes bloot. I'll show you on how it attaches to a glass. So here's your glass, and you just slide it on around there, and that's all there is to it. So let me just show you what sideways here, just so you can see. There it is, and it just pops on and off like that, and like that. And I want to show you some of the fun things that I've done. You can do just beads with cute little charms. If you've got cute little dangly charms you can use, or you can just do little beads, or you can just spell out a name if you want to. Or I happen to be very, very fond of using beads and little charms like that. You could do that, you know, according to whatever the season was. And now if you've got somebody with a longer name, say you wanted to do one of these for everybody in your group, and you've got people with longer names, don't despair, because you can use these larger paper clips. These are the jumbo smooth finish, and they exactly the same way. You open them up and do the same exact thing, but then they're nice and big, and you just pop those on with all the letters on there. And they won't be too big. They'll still be appropriate for your wine charms. And there you have it, your very own personalized wine charm. You can make them for all of your friends with everybody's names, or everybody can make their very own. They can be unique and different, each one. For more fun ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com. Cheers!